What's up, y'all? Quick little unboxing. First, first pickup of this season. Not super crazy about Supreme, but I see some dope stuff. I might buy it. How you boys are doing? We're gonna make this quick and easy. Hopefully, we don't have people trying to steal identities and stuff. I don't think y'all want to be me anyway. Let's see what we caught. Oh shit! They threw that in for free. Okay, much love, Supreme. Much love. Some free little gloves. I might work on my car with that. Let's see what stickers they pulling out. Supreme stickers gotta come with stuff. Stay positive. And the item that I went to look for the most. Now the Nike stuff was hard. I'm not even gonna front and say the Nike stuff wasn't hard, but for cats like me who don't really rock Supreme, I switch it up. I do a lot of different brands and stuff like that. When we do get Supreme, we want to get something with a red box logo. That's all we gonna say. You know what I'm saying? For all the other hype beasts. But as far as the quality, it's really nice, man. It's really, really nice. It feels good. And I don't know, man, is Supreme making a comeback or what, Shout out to Spider-Man in the back, going crazy. But, just a quick little unboxing. I'm more surprised that they threw the little work gloves in for free. That's pretty dope. So, much love to Supreme. And I'm out, man. Make sure you go check out some of them other videos. I got a few other things coming up. I don't even really know the direction of the channel. But, thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, man. Y'all take it easy.